Hello everyone, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In this video, we are going to write a program to calculate the sum of all numbers from 1 to given input number. So which means if the user enter 10 as an input, we are going to calculate sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so let's open our editor and we will be using CuPython 3L as usual. And let's open the editor here. So this is our new previous program. So let's open a new file, blank file here. And now, so first let's take the input from the user. So up to which number he want to calculate the sum of numbers. So I will take n as a variable name and I will wrap the input function inside int. Okay, enter number and close it. So now our input is ready. So let's write a for loop, okay, to calculate uh, the sum of all the numbers up to n. So for that, first I will take the sum as initial value as 0. And after that, I will write a for loop here for I in range. I will start from 1 till n plus 1 because we need the sum of 1 to 10 if user enter 10, right? So if we just give range of 1 comma 10, what will happen? The loop will run from 1 to 9 only, not the 10. So we need 10 as well. So that's the reason I gave n plus 1. And now let's do sum is equal to sum plus I, and finally print the total and close this one and sum. That's it, guys. Okay, so let's save the program first and run and see the output. So I will name this as sum of n dot py and save it by hitting this tick mark and run the program. Okay, so we have a problem here. So we forgot to add a comma after the total string. So let's close this terminal, go back to the program, and here let's add the comma. Now save the program and rerun it. Great. Now it is asking for the input. Let's give 10. See, we got total as 55. So if you calculate from 1 to 10, the sum of 1 to 10, it will be 55. So let me explain how it is working exactly. So first we are taking the input in line number 1, and here we have a sum variable with the initial value as 0. And we are writing a for loop from 1 to n plus 1, which means if the user enters 10, it will run till 10 as well. So that's why we give n plus 1. And in the line number 6, we have sum is equal to sum plus I. So what is the initial value of sum? It's a 0. So in the first iteration, the I value will be 1. So after first iteration, what is the total of, what is the value of sum? It is 1. Now in the second iteration, sum plus I, sum is 1, I is 2. So total value will be 3, and so on. It will run n number of times. And finally, we are printing the sum in line number 8. So one more time, let's run the program. Now I will give 100. So 50-50 is the answer for sum of 1 to 100. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share the video.